how to get BeamNG Drive on your PS4. I'm going to tell you how to get BeamNG Drive on your PlayStation 4. You can't, at least not officially. BeamNG Drive is a PC exclusive game, known for its incredible realistic crash physics and soft body vehicle simulation. As of 2025, it's not available on PlayStation 4 or any console for that matter. The game's physics engine is so demanding that porting it to the PS4's hardware would mean stripping away exactly what's make it special. Some tech-savvy users have tried risky workarounds, like installing Linux on their PS4 and attempting to run the game through compatibility layers. But these are complicated, unstable, and not recommended for everyday players. If you're looking for something similar on your PS4, titles like Wreckfest, Car Mechanic Simulator, or Project Cars 3 offer pieces of the experience, though nothing quite matches the detail of BeamNG. For now, if you want the full thing, every crunch, crash, and bend, you'll need a PC that can handle it. No shortcuts, no PS4 port, just straight up realism on a proper rig.